Try it out with that. Don't break your neck. Can you like hold the ladder because it's scary? Ben, explain what you're doing here. Ben, explain what y'all are doing here.
We're trying to make the ping pong ball in the light, the spotlight. And we're trying to see if we put the light on, if it'll explode.
It's my hypothesis that it's gonna explode.
That it's gonna explode?
Yeah, when the light hits it.
Or is it just gonna melt?
Hey, let me try.
I wasn't really close.
Try it again, Jess.
Huh?
Try it again.
Go on this.
The wrong way.
Man, I'm gonna catch you. Somebody take it.
How you did that?
I don't know.
That's hard. That's it is good.
I know.
Oh, I hit the top.
Jess, your ball matches your shirt.
Yay.
Oh! Oh! That's a horrible idea.
I don't think this is gonna work.
It's not possible. See, that would have been the one. We never really got a really good throw on it. You know?
Oh, I think I drank too much coffee.
Jess.
It's so close.
No, that's not in it. I just got my stomach.
That's it.
I wanna try one.
I know.
Let me see.
I want to try one more time. One more time. One more time.
Try one.
Not right now.
You missed twice?
That's not right. I felt it.
You got it?
It didn't even in his hole.
You didn't say where I had to make it at.
Oh! Man, maybe it's impossible.
Ooh!
Oops.
This is better than working out.
Yes. How's it?
I won. You gotta have a little more. But if Tim walks in, we change him like both.
He's not walking. This is what we're doing, but I turns on his stage.
I'm going. Job. Come on. You want it?
Or mine ran in, bro. That's close to you. That's close to you.
I'm like straight weak in it. Dude, that don't make it. Okay, dude.
What What if we put the ladder on top of a table?
Then we'd be playing that. Then we'd be playing TLC. Table Tennis Chip.
I think you'll be able to start it going.
Yeah, it should be 1,000 ways to
I
die.
think their eating schedule. Like you said, eating like, because I'm eating like when school starts. I don't know, like eating. Because that messes up my night. Late nights.
Bro, get the press.
Brittany, come get some shots from this angle.
Nah.
This is pretty epic looking.
Especially when the ball comes after you.
Hey, Eric. You gotta pull.
Huh?
You should get a pull and put the light up a little bit more.
Bro, get a pull.
I was just kidding. You got a pull?
Use a broom.
You got a broom?
Oh, is it on your dark one? Which is the dark one? The dark face one or something?
Oh
Can
no.
you get that? Yeah, come back.
It's kind of hard to
What you doing?
video and catch the ball.
Yeah, it's so weird. Like I feel.
Hey, what you doing? Hey.
Dude, I got a plan.
No,
Did you,
I don't think it's gonna work.
That's custom made. I melted it.
You do it?
Yeah.
Dun dun
I
dun.
feel like I'm lighting that epic tone.
Dun dun dun.
Hey, we'll find out if we do light.
Dun dun dun.
Oh wait, dramatic pause. Okay, go.
Very good. Balls.
Turn the light on.
Yes.
where is the light switch?
Look at this. Adrian, you have to film.
That's custom made.
Uh-huh.
Wait, here.
Adrian, you gotta film. You gotta see what happens.
Maybe find the ladder.
I can't. see.
What if it blows up?
Which one is it in?
Oh, that light is bright.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
What do you? Oh, we should have put it in the
I look
other
straight
one.
at it.
Huh?
We should have put it in that one. That one's brighter.
Stand back further.
Oh, never mind.
It's the angle you're
We
at.
can do it.
Yeah.
We can't get it out.
Plastic just melts. It's just gonna start melting, right?
Yeah. We're undivided. What's that burning smell?
You might be video cameraing for a while.
Yeah.
Video. Delete the video. If we see him catching on fire, that the video gets deleted.
We should have thought this through.
We can always just knock out the light. We only need
One
one.
ping pong ball is extremely flammable.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh wait, wasn't it with us? Who did it?
Yeah.
Oh
Did you hear it? We lit it on fire outside.
They're so cool looking.
I haven't seen it.
We need a whole ping pong ball. And you got one, but it's stuck.
Okay, I'm
How you
sorry.
gonna get it down? I don't know if you can get it down.
I can't reach.
I really don't want to get to do some more fire because it's not good.
You don't think it would be worth it?
Let's see if it at least turns black.
This is
Alright,
Yeah, let's see if it
the longest video of nothing.
This is cool. Yeah, I mean, come on. Somebody give me some props for this.
That is cool.
It was.
Brilliant idea number 1.
I'm not liking hot.
Is it hot?
Is it hot? Nothing more probably.
It's warm.
No
Let's
marks.
set it on fire now. Yeah, let's set it on fire now.
All right. this ping pong ball will be flaming off.
Hey, this is still recording.
Oh,
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, Eric.
Man, where's that lighter?
yeah, good question.
Look at that light.
It used to be. Do y'all need one?
Look.
Why?
Maybe Adrian's did. Okay.
Brittany's got one. Yes, let's go. Oh, it's kind of drizzling.
It's about to rain.
It is raining.
Natural fire extinguisher.
Do it on the underneath. Do it on the underneath.
I know it's cool when you do it on the top, cause it shoots up. It shoots a flame. I may have to go.
It's raining.
Oh, that's really hot.
Do you think it's gonna fire the fork?
Eric, step on it.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Is it still on fire?
Every man for himself.